Welcome back to my channel Lumsy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I will show you how to bead on tulle net. If that's what you're looking for, make sure to watch till the end to see how I beaded this tulle net. After sewing this corset dress, the illusion net part was empty, was just plain. So I asked on my YouTube community if what they suggest I should do to this, and most of them suggested I bead the plunging neckline area and also towards the princess dart. So I decided to share the process of me beading this tulle net. I know some people, some of my clients have asked me, some of my subscribers actually have once asked me how to bead on my dresses. So I decided I'm going to share the process of me beading this. If that's what you would like to learn, then continue watching till the end to see how I beaded it. I used number 11 beading needle to bead this. Don't use normal hand needle to do it. Also, I'm using crystal. You can use any other stone of your choice. I have invisible thread here. You can also use the other plastic one, but this is what I'm using. I've gone ahead and threaded it into the beading needle. As you can see, make sure you knot the ends as I have knotted mine. So I'm going to start the beading now. So I'm going to pass this, I'm not going to pass it from under, I'm going to pass my needle from up. So you just go ahead and pass it into the fabric like this. Just make sure you pay attention to see how I'm going to bead this. Actually, this tutorial is not supposed to be a talking tutorial, but you know, if I'm not saying what I'm doing, most of you might not understand. So I went ahead and, you know, after knotting my thread, I started picking the beads. So as you bead it and you sew it, make sure to knot it as you're sewing it. I don't know if that makes sense. So whenever I pass one needle, I knot it and then I pick my my needle to the next one and also pick another bead. I don't know if this makes sense. Just let me know in the comment section, but just keep watching what I'm doing. You will understand what I'm trying to explain. I'm not a good beader, but you know, the little knowledge I have, I'm going to share that with you. So if you notice I'm beading on a flat surface, in case you prefer to bead on a flat surface, you can actually do that and bead on a flat surface. Or you can, you know, instead of you to bead on a flat surface like this, you can put your mannequin, you can wear the clothes on your mannequin. You get, you wear your clothes on the mannequin and place it, remove it from the stand and place it here, and then, you know, instead of you to place your fabric flat like this, whichever way. And you can also do that, you can place it on your mannequin. I'll show you when I place it on my mannequin how it looks. But you know, when I was making this one, when I was making it flat like this, it was, in fact, the two of them are easy. It depends on your preference, how you can be comfortable when you're beading it. So whatever suits you, just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, look at how it's looking. Some school of thought said you can bead one at a time, meaning you just bead it and tie it, cut the needle, cut the thread, and bead again, cut the thread. I don't know how stressful that will be, but I don't think I would go that route. So I'm just beading it straight. After beading it, it came out nice. But if you feel, or if you're a professional watching this, if you feel beading one and knotting it and bead another one is better than this, let me know in the comment section. But after beading this, I didn't see any difference because I used invisible thread and it was very okay by me doing it, and my invisible thread wasn't giving me any problem or issues, as you can see. So regarding beading it on a flat surface and beading it on a mannequin, let me let you guys know the difference. If you're beading it on a flat surface, you will think, you know, the way that I've beaded it like this now, you would think it's full, but it's not full because this illusion net will stretch. So if you put it on a mannequin, you're going to stretch it to maximum how it's going to be on the body. That way you will know how full your bead is or how scanty it is. I don't know if I'm making sense, but if you understand me, let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched this video till this time, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it to your sewing community so that others will learn. Then I'm going to go ahead and start beading this on the mannequin. As you can see, I've placed it on the mannequin. If you can even notice, you will notice how wide the plunging neckline is looking now, because I have stretched it to the way I want the two necks to be on the body. So I'll go ahead and pass the needle. I'm struggling to pass the needle. Yeah, guys, any good thing also comes with its wahala. So starting to beat this on the mannequin will give you initial gragra. If you're not a Nigerian, initial gragra means something. Gragra means something that will give you prove difficult, you understand. Yeah, so it will give you that initial difficulty, as if you're having difficulty. You can see how I'm struggling to do this. Yeah, but after this initial gra you would find it very, very easy to do, because this time around it will not your thread will not hook. It will be easier for you to guide your thread. So another way for you to bead your clothes is, if you're a designer, after sewing your clothes, you can also give it to beaders. There are people that are professional in beading this. It's their work. So you can, give it to them for them to bead for you. Or you take your time and enjoy the process. I'm enjoying the process. I never knew it's going to be very, very easy when I started beading. Looking at it, you would think it would be stressful, but when you start, it took me like how many hours? It took me like 3 hours to bead this particular bead on the neckline area only. So you decide if you can take that on, or you're going to give it to a beader. If you're giving it to a beader, I will suggest, for me, I will suggest, don't couple it when you're done with the front or wherever you want to, embellish. You give it to your beaders to complete, unless maybe some beaders, might be so professional, they don't mind when if you bring the complete sewn clothes. Yeah, you can always do that. But for me, I want it the easy way out. I always bead mine before I complete it. So I'm trying to zoom this in so that you see me struggling with my beads. I'm not actually struggling, don't mind me, but so that you can see up close what I am doing. I hope you guys can see just what I believe. When you're beading, the main thing you need to do is to always knot each and every step of the way. So guys, you have to just continue beading it this way. Let me show you up close. You see how it's looking. Yeah, so this is the final outlook after making it, after beading it. Just take your time and bead this, and you'll be good to go if you want to bead it yourself. So guys, my sewing community, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it to your sewing community on Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, wherever your social media is, wherever you are on social media. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.